For some young men, understanding the brain research of female love is a colossal test. Or we can say it is a difficult errand. He might be a specialist at numerous things. However, with regards to the woman he adores, he actually has no clue about the thing she's reasoning. We men, as to say, after you comprehend ladies, there's nothing else to learn on the planet. Isn't that so? Ladies aren't as trying to comprehend as we young men might accept. It's an issue of whether you perceive and acknowledge the distinctions in thinking among people. Ladies aren't as hard to comprehend as you could suspect. In this blog entry, I'll uncover the brain science of female love's for some time maintained mystery that has been causing you fits. Okie young men. So let us discuss the 6 realities about female love brain research. It will assist you with dazzling your crush, all things considered. I'm kidding. How about we start our theme 1? Ladies searches for affirmation in their accomplice. At the point when a lady loves you profoundly, she stresses that she may not be the only one in your heart. Young ladies are really keen on the females in your nearby area, as well as your ex and your female colleagues of the other gender. She tries to be the only one in your heart that has a place with her. Permit her to realize that you put or soul her in your heart, assuming you believe she should cherish you genuinely. At the point when men handle the previously mentioned mental characteristics of female love, they will as of now not be upset when faced with her fury, or when she becomes hard to comprehend. The key to keeping your adored one close is to grasp her mind. Take great consideration of her and focus on her to never need to feel frustrated about the folks. Young ladies need to track down genuine romance and be cherished back. 2. She's continually contemplating you and missing you on the off chance that you are a lady's darling. She will always remember you, as per the brain research of female love. She'll have an image of you in her mind over the course of the day as she approaches her life. Could do without advertisements. Turn into an ally and partake in the great men undertaking promotion free, assuming she at any point reaches you to say she misses you. This is on the grounds that she's been missing you the entire day and can't handle it any longer. Tell her the amount you revere her and the amount you miss her. Like, refer to your ladies and say, as I love you and I miss you, child. All in all, acknowledge to her that you additionally miss her. 3. Ladies are famously hesitant to communicate their actual sentiments. Men are generally baffled by this part of female love's brain science. It's difficult to fathom for men who have a ton to say why ladies say okay when they mean no. Who can say for sure why she didn't simply express out loud whatever was at the forefront of her thoughts? For what reason does she keep on asserting, I'm all right, when she isn't all right? That is the manner by which ladies act when they're overwhelmed with passion. She is reluctant to communicate her feelings and wishes, since she maintains that him should see her sentiments and see her eyes rather than hear her words. You'll feel like a genuine darling to women when you handle what prowls behind their inaction or quiet. Each man ought to know all about this crucial mental attribute of female love. Furthermore, after you have this data, attempt to focus to what she says as well as to her non-verbal communication, looks, eyes, and developments to get a feeling of what she really needs. She will go gaga for you by saying, "What an astonishing individual you are." 4. Playing with one's accomplice is something that numerous ladies appreciate doing. This mental part of female love is presumably undeniable, since most ladies, when in affection, act like children, cuddling and needing to be dealt with, regardless of whether she requires just food, medicine, snuggle, and fondness. Spoiling her is easy when she is down and discouraged. 5. Ladies are careful and give close consideration to the easily overlooked details. Numerous men have without a doubt experienced the accompanying request from their sweetheart, "Do you believe I'm different today?" Rather than men, young ladies are more intrigued by unpretentious changes. like another hairstyle, apparel, or lipstick conceal. As per the brain research of female love, in the event that you don't see her changes, you're not keen on her, and she will feel frustrated about